Kenya's Talanta Stadium dream is now a reality as 2 weeks construction updates gives promising results. Launched at the beginning of March by the Kenyan President Dr. William Ruto, the project underscores the government's commitment to sports and youth empowerment, with the China Roads and Bridge Corporation spearheading constructions in collaboration with the Ministry of Defense. Projected for completion by December 2025, the stadium is expected to become a cornerstone for sports in Kenya. During the Kenya Sport Cabinet Secretary's visit to the construction site yesterday, he expressed his satisfaction with the progress made so far.
We have timelines, and looking at the pace of work going on here, no doubt that we are well within our set timelines. So very confident that Talanta Sports City is on track. We have no doubt whatsoever that this project should be ready on schedule, and we have set the target of December 2025 to have this project ready and good to go, to be put to the test, and that will give us about a year and a half to test it, to try it out ahead of AFCON 2027. So all good, all on track. Quite pleased with the progress of works here.
As one of the 2 venues earmarked to host matches during the 2027 AFCON, which Kenya will co-host alongside Uganda and Tanzania, its completion is critical. The facility's readiness by December 2025 will provide ample time for testing and preparation ahead of the prestigious tournament. If you're new to this channel, my name is Dolphin. I'm the host of Dolphin 254. Yeah, in this channel we do infrastructural development videos, we do city tours, and we also do real estate. So kindly consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think about the construction of this stadium, okay? Let's interact at the comment section below. So have a blessed evening. See you in the next one. Here's the clip